Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning. Today we're going to draw, as promised, the third main character from the classic Duck Dodgers in the 24th and a half century, and one of my favorites, Marvin the Martian. Having just drawn Daffy Duck and Porky Pig, I thought it's only proper that we draw Marvin. As I mentioned in the videos of Daffy and Porky, Duck Dodgers in the 24th and a half century was voted as the 5th greatest cartoon of all time by members of the animation field, which is reason enough to pay tribute to it by drawing its stars. Find it and watch it. You won't be disappointed. Anyways, all you'll need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Easy, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Marvin the Martian. We're going to draw our favorite Martian, Marvin, step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Marvin is a little over 2 heads tall in this pose. In other words, however tall we draw his head, his entire body is just over 2 of those, not counting the broom thing on his head or the bottom of his shoes. So let's start with a roadmap for Marvin the Martian. So there's a roadmap for Marvin the Martian. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put Marvin's eyes and the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Marvin the Martian's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for our favorite Martian, Marvin. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Marvin. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw the details for Marvin the Martian. Alrighty, there you have it. Marvin the Martian. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Marvin before, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring during this video because I want my lessons to solely focus on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Marvin the Martian. And with that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Marvin the Martian. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. Don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.